Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you a new bind off using bind off and then doing a picot. Gives a nice edge. This is going to be the hem of the sweater. So I am finished finally. So here it is. What I do is I started off with binding off 5 stitches. So I'm going to use a crochet hook. It's easier for me to demonstrate this tutorial. So what I do is I knit 2 together and I move it to here. I knit 2 together, move it to here, 3, 4. I do it 5 times. Knit 2 together and move it here. I'm using the purling them. And then from here what I do is I chain 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right here somewhere, because I can't see, this yarn is really hard to see. It reminds me of the eyelash yarn. Can you see? Would I buy this yarn and re-knit something for myself? No way, Jose. And then I just do a slip stitch or a single crochet, and it gives you this beautiful look. So let's do it again. So let's say you finished it and you're going to start binding off. So what you do is you knit 2 together and then you move it back. This is one of my bind off methods. So this is 2, knit 2 together, 3, 4, and then 5. I do it 5 times. And then from here, what I do is I do 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here somewhere, like I have no clue. I don't want to go here to create a gap. Can you see the strand? So we don't want to go there. So I go back, and then find a secure place as I feel it, and I do a slip stitch, just like this. I don't know, it gives me this nice picot edge, and I just wanted to share this before I do the ta-da video, because I'm still going to wash this, and I'll give you more feedback, more review about this yarn. This is the first time I'm knitting a sweater with this yarn, with this particular yarn that I purchased from hobiem.com. Here's the label. What was one of the Gaza. The only reason I purchased this because it said viscose. Can you see viscose? So it's 90% viscose. That means it's like bamboo, silk, not silk. I wouldn't say it would be silk, but yeah, bamboo, more close to bamboo. I did put it on and see if it was sweating me, because I went up and down the stairs just to, get that feeling if it was polyester. But no, it didn't give me that feeling. So just wanted to share you this end result. So I'm finishing it up, and I just wanted to show you. I did the same method on the collar. Let me just put this and show it to you. But on the collar, what I did is I did 1 row single crochet, and then I did the picot. I haven't put my label yet. After I wash it and dry it, and so I did the picot, same method here. I did not do it on the sleeve because that came later to my mind. So what I'll do is I'll do 1 row of single crochet, and I will do picot, give that same look. Okay, so I hope you like this short video. Just wanted to share you this method, and you can do this on your garment, on your sweaters, and so on. Yeah, And it is stretchy. That's the only reason I wanted to use this technique. So it will give a stretch, because it has elastic, but when I notice when you cast on, it doesn't give you that elasticity. So that's the reason I wanted to do this method. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for my next videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. And don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you like the video. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them below, and I will try to reply to you ASAP. Happy knitting. Bye-bye.